Alright, first impressions. The Gamn Chainsaw Sharpening System. This thing's pretty awesome. I do need to figure out a little better how to fine-tune this camming action on the setup pin. But that'll come with practice. Unfortunately, they don't make these anymore. However, there's a company called Timberline, I think, that makes a very similar product. Fortunately, I found this a good deal on eBay because the Timberline ones are pretty expensive. Heck, if you convert early 80s dollars to now prices, this thing would have been practically $100. Yeah, I like it. There's a rigging process where you clamp this jig onto your bar and then set up the backlash on this little guy. And then it's got a clamp to hold the chain in place. It's even got an advancer for advancing the chain, unless you're a dummy like me. Then you just take this carbide burr, insert it in here, turn it the direction indicated, and it grinds your tooth. It grinds every tooth, I should say, exactly the same way because of this jig system. I really like it. So I'm taking a bit off. I think some of it was due to just this stock chain that has no gullet. So probably what I should do is grab a file, go after that gullet a little bit, save some wear and tear on my carbide bit. And that's all it takes. And like I said, it'll be a lot faster the next time I do this because now the tooth is profiled to this burr. Alright, thanks for watching. Like I said, highly recommended.